Alright, so I did it for both Insurgents and Security.
Yep, same. What are we playing as? Security!
Well, we're both Breachers, so we have to get on it first.
Alright. Let's do it right now.
I got mine.
Got mine. Woo!
This is retarded.
All the incendiaries.
Nah, I got a frag.
Fuck you and your frags. This is so fucking stupid.
Oh god, there's so much
using?
recoil. This is stupid.
I declare myself as the Order King. You are to do what you want to do.
Let's do it! Go!
Boss object.
Yeah, let's go!
This is stupid.
Let's do it. We're running right in.
What else are we gonna do?
Long range with pistols. Oh my god!
I will laugh if I actually get a couple kills.
I wouldn't be surprised if you did. That's one. Oh, I'm sweeping top. One down.
You're enjoying this way too much.
Oh, way too much.
Oh, I
Two,
hear you.
motherfucker. Two, motherfucker.
Okay, reloading!
I think your character's running around in sandals. Nope. Just
Four.
boots.
Okay!
That was fucking awesome. No,
Oh,
and the funny
jeez,
thing is
we're
like
so blocked.
I'm literally mag dumping the entire time.
This is stupid. Oh god, we have to defend?
Let's do it.
Downstairs, boys.
I only have
Coming in
4
from your
mags.
downstairs, boys.
Ooh, I'm gonna come in here. Yep, I'm completely out of ammo. Hey, don't mind if I borrow this.
What if they do mind, huh?
Yeah, well, what if you do mine?
Come upstairs and we'll talk about it together, alone. What'd he say?
I didn't hear it. I'm having a hard time hearing him. He's got an echo.
Alright, I'm here to talk about us, not you.
What the fuck?
Hey, you're not upstairs.
That's a
Hey,
grenade.
who are you?
And I died.
Sorry, you freaked me out, so I shot you.
Hey, check this out, dude. I got one.
Behind you.
He hit you with a grenade.
Before we were so rudely interrupted. Oh, we actually losing?
Yes!
Look what I have, guys. Watch this. Frag out.
The fuck is he doing?
Hey,
I
Sata,
don't know.
Why don't we just shut these doors wall while they can't find us?
Apparently this guy has other plans.
I saved you. Oh, I'm so sorry.
He did save you.
I'm so
But he
sorry.
also destroyed that guy.
I killed the other guy, and then you walked in, you started shooting, and I just...
What are we gonna do about this? We need to hide the bodies.
Alright, no witnesses. He's gotta go. Who wants... I'm leaving, I'm gonna shoot someone else.
Oh my god, this is so funny.
This is stupid. This is the dumbest round we've ever played.
Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Where's this last guy? Where's this last motherfucker?
In your mom's room.
I have nothing to say to that. That was a good one, sir.
Is he in the bathroom with no door on it?
I've been back. Hey, if you guys.
I just came over and fucking domed him.
Ooh, look what I got,
Let's
guys.
go. Are we all okay? I'm over here. I'm okay.
Show me your Panzerfaust. I love you. I just have to say that. I love you.
Oh jeez, I'm pushing with a pistol.
Do it. Push as hard as you can, Evan.
Loading.
You look like such a badass, like just like popping with a pistol.
Yeah, and you just run out into the street.
Man, I don't give a fuck. What up, bitch?
Got ya.
Good. Huh?
I way saved you.
Did you see me jump out the window anyway?
Yeah, you just immediately jumped out the window. I'm like, wait, I'm still in this room with this guy.
Oh, fuck. Where are they going?
Jeez, this is so stupid.
Watch out for the drones, motherfucker!
I'm gonna run out of ammo.
Oh crap!
Hello.
You're the only one left.
Are you serious?
Yeah. That guy wasted me below you.
Oh god, I'm out of ammo! Ah!
Alright, boys, pistols only.
In case you didn't catch on.
Glock, I better shoot with the Glock.
I ran out of ammo. I think they are all changing it.
I'm okay with this.
None of them have anything in their hands. There's only 2 guys with rifles.
I see 4.
Savvy
Oh.
on me, let's go. We're buddies now.
Yes, boss.
I'm just gonna assume you're following me because I can't read these things.
It's okay, I can't read either.
Oh, good, because I fail all of school.
Is that why you're a soldier?
Yeah, that's why I have a gun to shoot innocent people.
Not innocent, they're terrorists.
Oh, that's right, that's our.
Wow, I just one-shotted a guy.
Leroy! Leroy!
Boys. No, Gronk is down.
Fucking die!
He's down.
I see you. You going upstairs? I'll sweep
Yep.
the building.
I can't
that was
believe
awesome.
I can't believe we cleared this building with just pistols.
Oh, I'm reloading.
This is fucking awesome. This is hilarious.
This is so stupid.
Terrorist.
This is so dumb.
I need a hug.
I thought he was gonna shoot you in the face.
We got a hole.
Oh
Ooh,
fuck,
I
we have to
I like
hold.
the size. I like the size of that.
I have 1 magazine.
Oh, do you?
Oh, it's even bigger.
That's what she said when she saw him.
I have 1
That was-
magazine.
It's the dumbest shit we're talking about.
I'll put that frickin'.
Everybody's still alive. Except for Glonk.
Except for Glonk. Because he didn't get a pistol.
Rock. I'm gonna reload, guys. I'm not
There's so much shooting going on around us.
We got 10 seconds. We'll be fine.
Secured. I can't believe it. Do we have supplies?
Yeah, boys.
Yeah, in the back by me.
That's what we call teamwork. Let's go get
Because I am out of ammo.
Also, I'm out of
Good job, Glunk. Get on this level.
Hey, this isn't Minecraft.
I thought we were on Roblox.
Aw man, he broke my house.
I'm not gonna stand here and wait to get shot.
Oh my god. It's oh whoa.
Oh, woo.
Hey. Ooh.
Ooh, woo.
Don't worry, I got quiet. Kronz got killed.
I see dudes, but they're too far away and I know I can't hit them. So I'm not even gonna try.
Oh! He shot me behind you. That's cool.
That guy was standing in the ground.
I saw you dome that dude.
Yeah!
I'm throwing a grenade! Oh, okay, I need to reload!
You didn't blow it.
What the
Like a
fuck?
loser.
How? How?
I don't know.
Flame grenade out!
Back. Oh, they best back the fuck up.
Now you don't have to shave.
Okay.
How many of these guys do I have to kill with a pistol? By the way, I'm out of ammo.
There's an ammo box inside the house where B was. Oh, that's a flame!
Aha!
Oh man.
I'm so lost and alone. Please don't forgive me.
Oh dear.
I'm getting shot at, but no one's hitting me. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
No, you died.
Yeah.
Watch my screen. Watch how a master does it. Watch this. Oh, never mind.
Take one shot, never mind.
Never mind.
Yeah, so that huge wave of guys, I ran dick first into them. And then my my game decided to deselect.
Oh, I got him!
Attack the charge! Go, go, go!
Is it me? Just me and him? Oh no, black. Dat boy's here.
There's also Dat Boy.
Oh shit.
Asshole!
I can't believe I'm third on the board.
On your knees!
I don't know either, man.
I can't believe we're second and third on the board.
Charlie's clear!
Oh, we gotta defend. Defending? This is bullshit.
Get tagged.
Is coming down!
This is gonna be interesting.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to my store. What would you like to buy?
Do you have any pocket pussies?
It's right at the door in the fire. Go get it.
Sorry, there's someone in the back room.
What the fuck was the point of that?
Yeah, well now you don't have doors.
Using incendiary! Get down! Fuck! Get him, Charlie!
This is some of the dumbest shit I've ever done. I think we got it. We're doing two.
Immediately get blown up.
Roger that! No! Just stay home!
Yeah, we did it.
I'm your squad leader now, and I don't know how to
I'm ready
put
to
up
go!
a push button. See what
Let's
happens.
go! Wait, hang on!
I'm still third. I'm still second. Dude, everybody's bad at this game. That's all I've taken from this.
I'm the observer.
I was gonna say that's me, but it's not.
Nope, we're breachers, man.
It's the last time you'll steal my Christmas.
Oh, they're blowing it.
We got Sam,
Whoa!
Need a rifle, man. He just runs into the handgun. He didn't care.
Oh, jeez.
ID gaff.
Dang, dude. I got your gun, but it's suppressor, so they won't hear me. Like, murder their children.
Whoa, this dude.
Fucking you just running dick first into the crowd.
Yep, dick check.
We're just running around with pistols. This is so dumb.
Sorry, this
Oh,
hasn't
I don't know
happened
what that
yet.
is. Watch out, I just threw a grenade randomly.
Great job, Commander. If we win this, I'm going to laugh so hard.
Ooh.
Who's blowing E?
Grunts.
Okay, go ahead.
I feel that cold.
Where is the ammo box?
What's the guy's...
I don't know.
What was that?
I only have three mags.
Don't you have an extra plate carrier?
I do.
I'm rushing.
I have
Frederick.
everything.
Who's Frederick? Ooh.
I easily could have taken that RPG to the face. Last mag.
We gotta defend, asshole.
I have one magazine. Fuck! Okay, well I died. Because I ran out of ammo.
Either way, I'm proud of you.
I don't know, maybe I'll change the gun to something that holds a little bit more, you know?
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Ooh, I found 2 more! Fuck!
Cover me! Bro, watch out! Step back! Using incendiary!
Holy shit.
They need help!
Woo!
Die! Oh, good!
I love how dumb this is, and we're totally, like, winning at this.
This is so stupid. And yet we're headed towards golf.
Oh, you totally shot him.
Sorry, might be. And I died. I got hit with an RPG.
That's one way to go out.
Yeah, like right there.
I forgot what game this looks like, but it kind of feels like Call of Duty.
Dead. I am Dude on the bridge.
Oh!
Yeah, that's how I died.
Oh god, I hate the bridge. It's the worst. They have to defend it.
Someone is hit! Shit! Shit!
Ooh.
Is anyone still with me?
We're gonna lose
Is anyone
this.
still with me?
I got 28 kills. You have 16.
You're all evil.
Alright, I guess we'll actually try this round.
Nah.
That's not love.
Most objective captures, everybody.
But I
You have to admit that was pretty fun.
So are we doing it again?
Are we?
I think we're the only ones still holding pistols.
Oh, so Crans added me to their friends list.
Are they close? Let's do this.
Alright, let's move.
Good to go.
Come on, we gotta go.
You're not my dad.
Alright, well, stay back in the truck. I will turn this mission around.
I was about to say, that sounds exactly like something my dad would say.
You for sure make it.
Would say my dad has said that.
For you, Evan.
I died. If only there was a way for you to pick up my ammo.
I
So
wish.
we're using the exact same setup.
Ow, ow, ow. You're a fucking asshole.
I need to reload.
Come on, asshole. You ready for this?
Got another one.
I'm on Alpha.
Dun 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 dun.
There's some down below. With the knife.
I was about to knife him. Not gonna lie. Oh my god.
Bag.
You saw that, right?
Oh
You
yeah,
fucking saw all that.
I saw it.
Wait, counterattack incoming.
This is so dumb.
They're at Alpha.
Wow, that sounds crazy, actually. Excuse me, folks. Oh, who we blocking? And you're dead.
And there you go. Thought you were about to pick up that gun and be like, "Don't you dare!"
Using incendiary. Cover me. Throwing smoke. Yep, that's us. Incendiary.
I forgot we were defending. It only says it like at the top of your screen,
We're
dude.
just being dumb, dude. That's what I'm doing.
Hey, I'm gonna load up.
It's just me and this guy? Alright.
Yes, that is correct.
Alright, that should be fun.
You guys are the top 2 players.
This'll do it.
Oh, we got it! Woo!
This is stupid.
Evan, you sound a little mad.
Only because it's working.
Yeah, dude. Like, I'm having so much fun right now.
Loading! Loading!
Eh, eh, eh.
See you, Grinch. Is it just us two sprinting across the map?
Kinda.
Nope. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Cover me!
Going upstairs.
Whoa.
Alright, gonna burn it.
Okay, I'll burn it!
But all I got is incendiary.
Whoa.
There it goes. I'm right behind you. As we storm the castle.
Oh!
Ah!
Ooh, I saw you take a gut shot.
We shot each other at the same time. I have a bunch of incendiaries on me if you want.
Nah, you saw what I did there, right?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
I didn't
that
get
was-
a chance to look.
I sort of like ran and flanked that guy. Oh, wait, did I kill a teammate? Oh no.
Yes, you, maybe.
No, it was a bad guy, but like someone ran in. Like someone ran in my flames.
Loading weapon! Friendly down! What could you go?
Oh shit!
What happened?
Dude got sniped right next to me.
I'm reloading!
Fucking. Fucking. Oh man, that was stupid.
Ah, let me load!
Alright.
Alright, wait! Reloading!
Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
You should keep your ammo up. Wow, that's a lot of dudes.
Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
You are so far ahead.
Oh yeah, dude, like, I don't know, this is me giving a fuck. Like, he's about to be ours, boys. He's our Oh, that's a lot of them.
Yep.
Incendiary out!
Whoa!
Oh god.
Oh no! That was me. Oh no, that's like my. Ah, damn it. I have 54 kills.
Yeah, well, your rolling dead body covered this whole area in fire, and I'm stuck in this corner.
Wait, did you find a flanking position, or are they not gonna let you go through?
I don't know.
Ooh, flanking position.
Ooh.
Hashtag proud.
I was forced to do this. This was not my choice.
You're already at F, man. It's good. We're good.
Oh god! Oh,
Mind you, mind you, mind you.
what? I shot him
Shot
like
him in
6
the-
times!
You shot him in the body armor.
Shoot you in the body armor.
It's just Burger King.
And by that I mean your ass.
You love it.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's Burger King. I'm loving it. That's McDonald's.
My score is 1635. Dat boy, who has 82 kills and 5 objectives, is 1670. I don't know how I'm so high up. This is fucking
Are pistol
stupid.
kills worth more or something?
I don't know, but either way, I've been rocking it apparently.
So are we gonna do this again?
Probably. We'll do one more with it, and then I'm probably gonna go to bed. But like, oh, he got it.
Yes.
Yes! Come on!
Golf is. Oh no, we have Otella.
You have this massive backpack, but you're only using a pistol. I somehow died.
There was like 7 of them, honestly.
Yeah, but we completely showered them in bullets.
Hey, I'm gonna load up!
And you're just running up to dudes and shooting them
Yeah, because then I can't fucking miss.
as you plow through doors.
Oh god.
Yeah, I didn't see that one coming, did you?
Nah, I pot shot that other guy though.
I'm reloading!
Well, that's a lot of them. You know why? There's no commander. Oh.
Oh, is that it?
Honestly, if we went observer pistol and commander pistol, I think we would have won by now. Not gonna lie.
Oh, just to have the air support?
Just to have the support, yeah. Oh, we got it!
Yeah.
This is it!
Oh wait, who left? Damn it, we're short people.
What's wrong with short people?
Nothing.
Good shot, Sata.
Sorry. My bad. My bad.
Right after you get a compliment, you shoot a teammate. Woo! Damn, I'm getting shot at a lot. We are capturing.
Oh shit, F that.
Who keeps kicking in the doors?
Honestly speaking, I think it's crayons.
I'm really tempted to just hide out in this room. But I got all these incendiaries.
Using the hot one! Okay, I'll burn it! Toxic and incendiary! Grenade out! Enemy on the position! Cover me!
Oh Jesus. I'm just gonna knife a dude. No, this is my goal.
On the ground, do it! On your knees!
Oh god!
Oh man, that was scary. That was fucking terrifying. Hey, guess who's at the top of the leaderboard?
You?
Yep, 7 objectives. I guess it goes by objectives.
I have a whole bunch of half-full magazines.
Ah, I wanted to cut him!
At least you're still alive.
Yeah, because you guys took him out.
Oh god. Oh god.
Someone took it out.
Huh. I hear technical.
Oh, the technical's gonna be a bitch.
Oh god! Oh god! Well, he got me.
What side was it on?
He's in the main road.
Crap, that took out a lot.
Oh!
Oh, nope. That got me.
Great, it's Grinch and Glonk.
Oh, that fool ran out of ammo. Oh, crap.
And now it's just Grinch.
That technical is gonna wreck him if he's not careful. Oh! I don't know how I'm leading the leaderboards, but I am. So, yeah.
Pistols lead the way.
Why do I have 0? Oh, it's just joined.
I just joined.
That's
Fuck.
no excuse.
62 and 6.
21 and 10. I still got
Oh.
8,000 experience.
No, I got 11,000.
You know, maybe
Dude.
pistol kills are just like worth more.
Honestly, I think it's actually objectives. If you can get objectives all the time, I think that'll.
So should we switch
Yeah,
it to
Observer and
commander?
commander. Yep, I'm doing it right now. Actually,
All right.
groupings, okay?
Huh?
Tight pants, tight groupings. The tighter the pants, the tighter the group.
Yeah, I mean not always, but sure.
If you keep everything tight, your
I do.
groupings will be tight.
I do find that I shoot better with tighter underwear, though.
Yeah, because you got less to deal with. No, it's just the 4 of us. Go commander.
Observer. With an M9. More Molotov.
All you have to know is that I am proud of you.